Hi everyone, today I'll be making Cinnamon Pebbles Cereal Treats. Kind of like Rice Krispie Treats using the Pebbles cereal. You can use Fruity Pebbles, you can use Cocoa Pebbles, whichever flavor you want. I'm using Cinnamon Pebbles. What all goes into the Cinnamon Pebbles Cereal Treat? 9 cups of cinnamon pebbles, 15 ounces of mini marshmallows. This is a 10-ounce bag, so I'll be using a bag and a half. 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter. That's 1 stick. And 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. So let's begin. Take a 9 by 13 pan and line it with aluminum foil. And then take some nonstick cooking spray and spray the aluminum foil. Take a large pot. I hope it is large enough because 9 cups of cereal is an awful lot. Take your 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, put it in the pot, and melt your butter over medium-low heat. Dump in your 15 ounces of mini marshmallows. This bag is 10 ounces. This bowl I weighed is 5 ounces. And stir that until it is melted and smooth. Once it's melted, remove it from the heat. Dump in your 1 teaspoon of vanilla and stir that. And you kind of got to work quick because you don't want the marshmallows to set. Add your 9 cups of cinnamon pebbles. And try to get it in the bowl. And stir that until everything is coated. Try not to break the cinnamon pebbles. Pour the cinnamon pebble mix into your pan. This actually mixed up really well. Now it says that you should take some wax paper and spray it and then push it down to level it out. I'm going to try my spoon first, and then if that doesn't work, to make it more level or evenly level. This is a lot. Can't believe it asked for 9 cups. Now I'm going to take the wax paper and spray it. I think I missed that. I don't think I turned on my phone. I did have my GoPro on, but it wasn't lined up very well either. But anyway, I sprayed my wax paper, put it spray side down, and I just spread it, which made it easier to do it a little bit more even and not have it so high up in the center. Like the pies, you spread from the middle on out. But it turned out pretty good, I think. We just let it hang out until it's set. Then you can cut it into squares and serve it. Here is a Cinnamon Pebbles cereal treat. Let's see what Dave thinks.
They're brown. What is that?
That is Cinnamon Pebbles cereal treat.
I didn't know there was such a thing.
I didn't either till I seen them in the store.
That's pretty good. It reminds me of something, but
Cinnamon Pebbles?
no, because I didn't know they existed. So I don't know. But you know what? The cinnamon is not
In your face?
yeah, it's not in your face at all. It's There's a little bit there, and I don't know if it's the. I guess you make these kind of like normal marshmallow treats.
Yeah.
So I don't know if the marshmallows kind of subdued the cinnamon or not, but there's enough there that it's good. But I like these. I think probably might like these regular more than a regular Rice Krispie treat.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know. I like them.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.